3, 2, 1.
You're watching
TKO Takeover.
We are here to help you with your everyday needs.
Downloading Fortnite on your PC or laptop is a simple and enjoyable process, and this guide will walk you through every step to get you started. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to a search engine. Type in Epic Games, as Fortnite is developed by this platform, and it requires the Epic Games launcher to run. Once you're on the Epic Games website, locate the download button in the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will initiate the download of the Epic Games launcher. While it downloads, it's a good idea to create an Epic Games account if you don't already have one. Click Sign in the top right corner and select Create Account to set up your profile. After creating your account or logging in, open your File Explorer and navigate to the Downloads folder where the Epic Games Launcher installer is located. Double-click the installer, agree to any security pop-ups, and follow the installation prompts. Once the launcher is installed, it will open automatically. Sign in using your Epic Games account details. Inside the launcher, head to the Store section on the left-hand side. Use the search bar at the top to look for Fortnite. Select the game, click Get, and complete the order process. It's free, so no payment is required. Afterward, go to your library in the launcher, locate Fortnite, and click on it to start the installation. Choose the folder where you want the game installed, and decide whether you'd like auto-updates and a desktop shortcut. Agree to the terms and begin the installation. Fortnite is a large file, so the download and installation process may take some time. You can monitor the progress in the bottom left corner under the Downloads section. Once the game has been fully installed, return to your library, click on Fortnite, and you're ready to play. The whole process is straightforward and ensures you're set up to dive into the fun world of Fortnite without hassle.